Insurance costs for UK haulage operators are rising again in 2026. For many fleets, renewal quotes are noticeably higher than in previous years. But this is not random. It reflects wider structural changes in the UK insurance market. Across the wider UK motor insurance market, insurers paid out billions of pounds in claims during 2025. High repair bills, longer repair times, and rising claim settlements have significantly increased total claim costs. When claim costs rise, insurers adjust pricing across the market, including commercial and fleet policies. Commercial motor and fleet insurance pricing tends to follow broader market trends. As underwriting margins tighten, insurers reassess risk exposure within transport and haulage. This has resulted in measurable premium increases for many HGV operators across the UK. In 2025 and early 2026, annual HGV insurance premiums in the UK commonly range between £5,000 and £10,000 per vehicle. For new operators, specialist haulage, or higher-risk profiles, premiums can exceed this range. Multiple vehicle fleets multiply this cost significantly. One of the primary drivers of rising premiums is repair cost inflation. Modern HGVs are equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, electronic braking systems, sensors and onboard technology. When these vehicles are involved in accidents, repairs are more complex and more expensive than in previous years. Parts prices have increased across the automotive supply chain. Labor costs in specialist commercial vehicle workshops have also risen. Longer repair times mean higher courtesy vehicle and downtime costs within claims. Claims inflation extends beyond repair costs. Personal injury claims, legal expenses, and third-party settlements contribute to overall insurer payouts. As total claim severity rises, insurers price policies accordingly to maintain underwriting stability. Haulage businesses are assessed based on several risk factors. These include mileage, cargo type, operating regions, driver experience, and claims history. Urban multi-drop operations and long-distance motorway mileage can both influence underwriting decisions differently. Some insurers have become more selective in the commercial fleet sector. As profitability pressures increase within the insurance industry, underwriting criteria may tighten. This can reduce available market competition, which can contribute to upward pricing pressure. Haulage profit margins in the UK are traditionally tight. Pre-tax margins for many operators are often estimated at between 1% and 2%. When fixed costs such as insurance increase, the effect on overall profitability can be high. Insurance is a non-negotiable operating requirement for licensed haulage businesses. Unlike fuel, which fluctuates, insurance is typically locked into annual contracts. This makes it a predictable but inflexible cost within the operator's financial structure. Industry forecasts suggest that insurance pricing pressures may continue in 2026. While some areas of the motor market have seen stabilization, commercial fleet exposure remains sensitive to claim severity and repair inflation. Future pricing will likely reflect ongoing claims trends and underwriting performance. Insurance increases are occurring alongside other cost pressures within the haulage industry. Maintenance, tires, compliance requirements and infrastructure-related costs continue to influence operator margins. Insurance, therefore, forms part of a broader cost environment affecting UK road freight. The rising UK haulage insurance premiums are being driven by repair inflation, higher claim payouts, underwriting pressure and broader market conditions. For operators, insurance remains a critical structural cost within an already tight margin industry. Understanding these trends is essential when analysing the financial position of any haulage business in 2026. On this channel, we break down the real cost pressures, market shifts and structural changes shaping the UK haulage industry. If you want data-driven industry analysis focused on profit and sustainability, subscribe for weekly insights.